everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be my end of year update for my project Level Up project pan. So if you want to see if I completed level 4, well then keep watching. We're going to jump right into it. My name is Marie and I am a beautiful mess. Here on my channel, I like to do a lot of project panning content, eyeshadow content, as well as any other kind of makeup content that I can think of. So sit back, relax, and come with me on a magical makeup journey. You might notice that my setup is the same and my makeup is the same in a couple different videos because I am batch filming today because it is the end of the year and got to get some videos up for my finale. Today I am doing my Project Level Up finale, and I decided that I'm going to restart this project in 2024 with level 1. This project was created by Sophie Alexandra, and it has been an amazing project. I am absolutely in love with it, and like I said, I'm going to be redoing it next year. So all of her information, including her intro video, and the community playlist is going to be found in the description box down below. But I wanted to update you guys on how far I got because I realized it's been quite a while since I did an update. If you haven't been watching any of my other videos, the last couple of months I've been dealing with some eye swelling and some skin issues. So this project, once I hit level 4, decided that I was going to just restart it next year because by the time I hit my goal on this project, which spoiler alert, I hit my goal on level 4, there just wasn't going to be enough time for level 5. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of a break, let myself heal, and decided that I was going to restart this in the new year. Looks like the last time I updated you guys was in September. So if you remember, this was my level 4 palette. This is the CColor Nightfall palette. And unfortunately, this company is no longer in business. That's actually why I have this palette, because when they were doing their going out of business sale, I snagged this and 5 other palettes up for $20. So yeah, sorry that you can't get it, but this is actually a dupe company, and this was supposed to be duping a Huda Beauty palette, which I don't remember the name of, but if I can find it, I'll put a picture up of it. This is where the palette was looking like last month. And this is what the palette is looking like today. So as you can see, I have completed level 4. I have 4 pans in this palette. I'm going to take a picture of this palette and include the usage goals on it for each shade. But as you can see, I have pan in this shadow here. I have pan in this shadow here. I have pan in this shadow here, and pan in this shadow here. This is definitely something that I'm so glad that I purchased. I had so much fun playing with this palette. It was definitely a really great palette for fall, and that surprised me that this was able to roll in just at the right time. If I have any looks saved, which I think I do, I will pop those in here. This red shade and the browns on the bottom really created some really great looks for fall. I was very surprised about the ethereal looks that I created with all the pinkies and purples in here. And I do anticipate that this would be a really great palette to pull back out for Valentine's Day as well. But very happy with this palette and very happy that I have 5 others from this company, though I'm sad that they're no longer in business. The first shade that I hit pan in was this one on October 5th. The second shade that I hit pan in was this one here on October 17th. The third shade that I hit pan in was this one right here on October 31st. Very fitting for a black. And then the final pan that I hit was this one here, and that happened on November 12th. Like I said, I didn't want to roll in a level 5 palette because I didn't think I had enough time before the end of the year and wanted to give myself a little bit of a break with all the issues that I was having with my skin. So that is my level 4 palette and everything that I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know I always love when you do. Don't forget, if you like what you see, to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that other people with the same interests as you will like my content too. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my intro video that's coming soon for this project. Bye, everybody.